Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I am going to show you how to change Instagram notification sound on phone. Now, this one is applicable for Android, and if you see the same settings, then it's also applicable to your iPhone. All you have to do is simply go to your phone settings, and then what you want to do is simply look for your Instagram application. So on Android, you have to look for app management and app list. Now for iPhone, I think you just have to look for your Instagram application under your application list. And then here, what you want to do is just simply go to the search icon and then type Instagram. Now you can also scroll down here and then look for Instagram. But for easier way, you have to just type it here on the search more. And then here it is. Now you have to scroll down till you see this manage notifications. And as you can see here below, we have here direct, Instagram direct, alerts, comments, like, and if you tap each of the features of Instagram, you will see there an option for sound, which is your ringtone. So let's just say for alerts, okay, you want to change the sound or ringtone for alerts. And then below here, you will see here ringtone. So all you have to do is to tap this one. Now you can look or use a sound from your file if you don't want to use from any of this other tones right here. You can tap the select from files, click allow, and then choose that ringtone or sound that you want to use to set as your alert ringtone. Apart from that, you can also do this if you want to change the ringtone of your comments or likes. So go to ringtone, click allow, and select from files if you want to, or you just have to tap from any of the alert tones here. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to simply change Instagram notification sound on your phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.